Mountain Dew, KFC, Sweet Lightning, delicious, or disgusting. Many of you Magnificent Biscuits wanted me to try this, and I never did, and here we are today. I'm not a big Mountain Dew fan, but I'm a big peach fan. That is an excellent peach soda. Best Mountain Dew I've had since Code Red. Right up there with that Lipton Brisk Dragon Fruit. I like that too, but it's excellent, and I would definitely get that again, especially since their iced tea is hit and miss these days. Used to be great, now hit and miss. I'm afraid to look at the sugar content on that. I gotta go with an 8.3. Absolutely delicious, baby.